You'll typically get notification in the mail. And depending on where you're going to have to go, that will also dictate how long your term of service is going to be. Most state courts operate on a one-day service, so you'll know the day that you have to go, and you'll either be selected for a jury or not on that day. And if you're not selected, then after that day is done, your term of service is over. Some courts use it on a week basis. For instance, federal court, you may get a summons, and basically what you have to do is when the dates come, you call every morning and they'll tell you whether you have to come in that day, but you sort of have to be prepared for the entire week. And then other courts do it a little bit differently in a sense that you may come in one day, be potentially selected on a jury, but then have to come back another day for the actual trial. So there's a little bit of nuance in terms of the way that some of the courts operate. But basically, when you're filling out that questionnaire, they're going to ask you for some basic biographical data in terms of your name, your address, your age, what you do for a living, where you work. And the reason that they're asking you these basic questions is because they're trying to just get general information about the potential pool of jurors that they'll be selecting from for any type of a case. And that will then help them at least determine from the outset whether or not there's any sort of conflict of interest based on what you do for a living or whether you know anybody involved in the case. And those are things that they discuss.